Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix the Chase app white screen or spinner bar on Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As I'm using an iPhone, the steps are similar in the Android as well. So the first thing that you need to do is, if you have opened up the Chase application, what you need to do is fully close the app, not just minimize it. To fully close that, simply swipe up and bring it to the middle. That will let you in your recents. All you gotta do is just simply select the Chase application and close it. Then once you close it, once again try the Chase Bank application and see if it works. But if that still doesn't work, then what you can do is simply restart your phone, which fixes 90% of the app issues. To do it, simply press the volume rocker off and the power button together, and that will lead you to the power off slider. All you gotta do is turn off your phone and turn on your phone once again, which restarts your phone. And similarly, you can long press on the power button on your Android phone and then simply select a restart or turn off and turn it again. If that doesn't work, next method that you can use is check your internet connection. To check it, simply swipe down from the top of your screen and then on your internet connection, turn off Wi-Fi and turn it once again, or try switching it to the different Wi-Fi network, or you can also use your cellular data as well, and then try opening YouTube or Google if the internet is working or not. If that doesn't work, the next method that you can use is to update the Chase app. So head over to your app store and then on the search bar type in Chase, and once you're here, tap on the Chase application and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.